Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to delivery day on another ultra rare. That's right, I bought another ultra rare motorcycle, and I've been baiting you guys for the last couple months. Just waiting for the delivery truck, by the way. It just seems like it was just a couple weeks that we just had the Corvair delivered here by Big Rig. Today, we get our new ultra rare here delivered finally. And boy, do I have a story behind the delivery on this bike. Now, this ultra rare, like I said, I have been baiting you guys and letting you guys know that I've only seen one of these bikes ever, and it's actually the bike that I bought. So my buddy had this bike, and I saw this thing back in like 2003, 2004. It's a 2002, and I remember he rode it over to my shop where I used to work, and anyways, I started chatting with him recently. He moved to Michigan, and this thing has been sitting in his garage for the last 7 years. And he said, hey, you want to buy this thing? And I was like, hell yes. So we got it on the truck almost 8 weeks ago. So that's a whole nother story. Trust me, it's coming. But we got it on a truck, and it is here being delivered. Now, just so you guys know, timing wise, we just drove 2 13-hour days to get here for this delivery day because a whole bunch of issues. Anyways, stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then hit that bell notification, because this is going to be a cool little winter build. This bike is basically just going to be restored back to original condition. There's a few mods to it, which I'm going to keep the exhaust mod, but some of the things is just going to go back to original. So let's get this truck here and get this thing unloaded and unveil the new ultra rare. Well, here it is, and I will tell you guys, it has been a journey to get this bike. It has been an absolute journey, and like I said, I've got a story to tell you guys about these guys. But anyways, let's get this thing unloaded and unveil the new ultra rare. Well, there it is, the 2002 Aprilia RS50. Like I said, this bike is the very first bike I've ever seen. Like I said, in fact, this bike is the only one I've ever seen, and I bought it from my buddy, and it's pretty rad looking. So let's get it completely off the truck. We'll do a whole walk around, and let's get a little cold start for you guys. Well, there she is. The 2002 Aprilia RS50. Now, my understanding, Jason ordered this from Aprilia back in 2002, and they only brought about 50 of these into the United States, and it was only an order-only kind of deal, so you had to order it, but this is going to be a full, complete restore. You know, it's got some damage to it, so we already know, but we're gonna get everything kind of set up. But apparently it's been sitting for 7 years. So I know the fuel is just probably gone in this thing, and it needs a lot of stuff, but the aero pipe Look at this. Big fan of aero, as you guys know. So we're gonna get this thing polished back up. The aero pipe will stay on, but we need new tires, we need new brakes, we need new paint, we need new everything. So Eddie, this is your next project. Shred Dog Hydrographics is going to be obviously doing the full paint work. And I think what we're gonna do is I think we're gonna try to duplicate all of the decals in paint. So because these decals are not available anymore, so we're gonna try to basically duplicate everything in paint. So it should be a very cool restoration, but I've been baiting it. I know it's not what you guys expected. The 2002 Aprilia RS50 is here, and stay tuned because the full build is coming. We're just back from Austin, so we've got the Cowies finally back, the Aprilia Tuono factory, Ducati, MT-03, and then we've got a whole bunch of another ones. Another ultra rare right there, the BMW HP2 Sport. So if you guys are here for the ultra rares, and yeah, I kind of like things that just aren't normal. The 1965 Chevrolet Corvette, and then the I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get ready on this. So there it is, 2002 Aprilia RS50. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye guys.